Continuum review. Hi guys, this is Arvind from arvind-nair.com and a warm welcome back to Continuum product review and demo. So please continue watching this video. I'm going to take you through the members area. I'm also going to show you the sales page and I am also going to give you a demo of this particular product. So before going into the product in detail, I will just have a show you around the members area, how it looks like, and this is the training of inside the members area. So this is the app and there's a sales page. So in a nutshell or in one line summary, what is Continuum? Continuum is an app which is hosted a cloud-based app which will potentially give you three high ticket sales based on auto webinar, right? So you don't have to create a auto webinar for you. This product is a auto webinar which will integrate everything you need, and you can actually promote the products, the high ticket products, right there and then. It is all done for you basically, and you have to just copy whatever is there to your particular landing page, and that's it. Boom, you can start doing it, right? So before going into product in detail and taking you through the members area, I'll quickly show you the bonuses which I'm going to give you away. So the first bonus is called Stealth, which is again how to get free traffic from Google Ads. This it's a very added advantage to the Continuum product, which you can actually make enough traffic and make money out of it. So that's the first bonus called Stealth. The second bonus is called Gemini. You get access to Gemini Pro, which is a front end plus an upgrade version of Gemini Pro. So what does it give us? It basically integrates with an autoresponder. So you know autoresponders has to be paid monthly, but this with this particular product you don't have to pay anything for an autoresponder. That's absolutely free. So you can use Continuum in association with Gemini. So that's the bonus number two I'm going to give you. The third bonus I'm going to give you is all the branding hacks. You know, you will get flyers, you will get logos, you will get marketing communications, all those done for you. It is all done for you, set up. You just have to take it and proceed with it. So that's the bonus number three I'm going to give you. The bonus number four is called Eclipse, where this is only for first 24 hours. So the sale goes in tomorrow, today at again confused. So it goes tomorrow at 9 a.m. EST. So it will be only available till 12 hours of the sale. After that, this page comes down. So this is basically a software which will help you to get done for your pages and also have free traffic which is in built in it. So that's the next bonus. And finally, all the vendor bonuses which has been agreed as part of this particular product. So this is an absolute deal. So what you have to do is you click on any of the links over here. It will take you through the sales page. Yeah, it will take you through the sales page. Click on it and it will go to the Warrior Plus account, your Warrior Plus account. Once the purchase is confirmed, then you will find a blue button which is mentioned below like this. Click on the blue button and you can access every single bonus which I've just told you in that link. So that's about the bonus. Now quickly going back to the product as such. So what is Continuum? It comes up with a load with done for you and done DWY, that is done with you, high ticket commission solution, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced marketers. User can hit the ground running with three pre-made webinar promoting three top converting offers, paying up to $750 per sale. Included is a step-by-step training delivered by Jono on the same methods he is using to fuel 200K per month in business. Yeah. On top of this, the front end includes a powerful auto webinar software developed by an industry expert with all bells and whistles without the monthly fees. This allows the customer to scale at their own pace to virtually unlimited income using any combination of offers and custom webinars. So this, as you know, the webinar itself is costing around, I'm paying around close to $500 a year, which you have to get a webinar set up. With this, You don't have to pay anything, so it's all set up. So basically this software is split into two parts. One is you get a webinar, an auto evergreen webinar, which you can host your webinars using high tickets. Again, in the front end sales, he has included three of the high ticket sales, so you can actually host that directly. You don't have to do anything else. And the second part is you have given step by step training to do that in that particular module. So this is the product summary. Let me take you through the sales page. So this is a sales page where again it's an interesting animation video which you can actually take your time and see it. I strongly recommend you to go through the sales page. uh, I'm just going to give you some glimpse of the testimonials and the commissions which they've made. So this is the product owner. It's called Jono Armstrong. He's one of the top affiliate marketers who have been in the industry for some time now. Yeah. So yeah, these are some of the sale commissions which I've got just within uh, you know not this one. So this is the without camera. Yeah. So these are not the what you call the income proofs, right? So let me show you some of the income proofs. If I'm not wrong, it should be somewhere in the members area. Yeah, he has not provided the income proof. So, but at least what he has done is he has given a comparison of the webinars. Where did it go? Sorry, I'm just rushing through things. Uh, but what I'm going to show you is the ease of continuum, yeah, with the webinar. Right. So this is with no monthly cost. Continuum outperforms costing $1,000 per year. It depends on which webinar. So if you are taking ever webinar, it's going to cost you $499 per year. If you go to GoToWebinar, it is costing you around $200 to $400. Stealth seminar is 135 plus plus. Continuum one-time price, right? You're getting evergreen webinar, created, automated, always available webinar. So that's all there, right? In Continuum, multiple start time, yes, you have got it. Start now option is not available in any of this except for Continuum. Then just in time scheduling, right? So it has got time zone detection, you have got full chat support. You don't have anything in webinar, but you have got in this. Then you have got chat security, privacy settings, you have got in Continuum. Email chat notification, you got in Continuum. Then you got Clip Creator Wizard, which you don't have in any other webinars, but in Continuum you have got schedule CTA buttons. You have got, yeah, affiliate links, yes. Email follow up, yes. Traffic sequence creator you don't have, but it's have, yeah. Custom made email reminders, yes. Embedded code, yes. Embedded widgets, yes. Embedded widgets, social network integration, autoresponder, full API is available, yes. Calendar integration, yes. Fully browser based, yes. And you have got all the SS here, wherein you can see there are missing gaps in the other webinars compared. So you can know that this is one of the best products in market if you want to get into webinar and sell high tickets, because high tickets won't sell without webinar sessions, because it's people tend to go away because it's priced high, like $1,500 for a single ticket. So you need to have this. So that's about the sales page. Let me quickly go through the members area. So this is the landing page. Once you enter into the members area, you've got an introduction where Jono gives an overview of what's happening. Then he also takes you through the Continuum software access, how it works. Then this is where things get interesting. He goes to set up how to set up the affiliate links. He has also got links for three high tickets, Ministry of John Crescentani's SAS and Simple Wi-Fi product. You can all set it up. Then he comes to setting up of your your Aware webinar, how to do it. Introduction to AdWords and Essential Pixel. So it's a free thing to be set up, but he'll walk through and one by one. Setting up your thank you pages, which is a key here. Setting up of your landing pages, and you have to battle test how to do it. And that's about the setup. And then he will come to the training traffic, so placement of keywords, He has got a video ad, then he also has provided scaling and conclusion, and that's about the modules which you have to do done with you DWY, which is he's going to take you one by one along with this particular sections. Now he has got the bonuses. You can access all the vendor bonuses which he has promised in this particular area, right? And then you have got the upgrades. If you want to go with upgrades, I will come to that bit in the pricing model, etc. But this is the landing page. Now you will be interested to see how the what do you call the what is it called, the software looks like. So this is the software it looks like. So this is how the software is set up. I'll just go back to one step behind. Yeah, so this is where you're landing the evergreen webinar is. So you can go and create your auto webinar here, right? So you can create your auto webinar, and then what will happen is it will start loading up, and then you can give an event title, for example, MOF 10 day, or MOF get 10K per month or something like that. You can give the event description. You can upload an event photo from here. You can either add a source video, or there are inbuilt source videos already available, so you can just click on any of those, or you can actually put your video in there. You can actually put, if you want, you can actually put your upload your video here. Add your affiliate link. Basically it will be a Warrior Plus affiliate link which you have already done in the training videos which Jono has provided. So you can actually add your affiliate links over here. When do you want to run the webinars, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you can put as recurring, which means every time it will start running. And then you can use a time zone, and you can give a watch now or show at selected time. So that's about the first content of it. Then you need to go to customize your layout. So either these are the things where you need to create a landing page and a thank you pages. They are already custom made layouts for you, right? So you can actually put this here, or you can actually custom make those by yourself. I strongly recommend to make custom made landing pages and thank you pages, which is also easily told in the members area over here, how to create your landing page and thank you page, so you can understand how these are created here. Uh, that once that is done, you need to add the participants. You can actually full chat or private chat only, and then you can actually invite the participants to email, or you don't, if you don't have, then leave it, and then you can just go on to the next one. It's about email reminder. So this is where you have to set your autoresponder. Yeah, so it integrates with almost every autoresponders you have in the industry now. So you can collect your sorry, you can set your autoresponders over here. You can also set a new reminder and say that, okay, what days and what hours and what minutes you need to send out the reminders. The email body is also there, so you don't have to do much. It's all preset. You can do that as a reminder, and there are some of the sample templates which is already created, right? And then you have got extras, which basically redirection. So once somebody closes this particular your ever webinar, you can actually redirect to certain feeds of you, probably a website or probably any other product you are promoting. You can actually redirect to that, and then you can custom the button. Okay, get my copy, whatever you want to custom the button. That's it. Create event, boom, your webinar is done. And then once your ever webinar is set up with the high ticket, what you essentially need to do is you need to run those campaigns, and also in this particular area, introduction to AdWords, the vendor Jono is giving you around $100 worth free, $100 free for you to start those campaigns ready made. If you get this product as well, so you're going to get a huge benefit of it. So this will help you to start the initial investments if you want to start promoting the high ticket sales. So that's about the product. Coming back to the prices, so the front end price is starting at $17. It's not even a cost of a pizza, guys. So it's actually $17 if you compare, and in $17 you're going to get all the bonuses which I've just shown you, and it's exclusive to me. You don't get it anywhere else. If you want, you can go and check around, but you're not going to get anywhere else. So $17, no brainer, access powerful Continuum software and training modules, all done. That's a front end sales. And then you have got the upsell one, which is Continuum Pro Edition, which is costing you 47 and downsell of 37. In this, what you're going to do is what the vendor is giving is it unlocks functionality of webinar software to include unlimited attendees, simulated chat support assistant, and full Zapper integration. Right. This also gives Jono's ultimate traffic plus webinar. So there is another two more modules which will be added. So that's the upsell number one. The upsell number two is done for you, 5 times done for you. So already you've got three. So now you're going to get five more, and that's upsell number two. So what you need to do is all pre-made webinars. You can actually start promoting the top offers. So that's the upsell number two. The upsell number three is affiliate bundle, which you'll get all the front-end access of Jono's 2000 products, the lockdown formula, insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bolt, Vanquish, all those stuff. Yeah. Plus front end for all his future releases. So whatever he's going to release in future, all the front end products you're going to get free of cost if you're going to take up the upsell number three. The upsell number four is multi-licensing, right, to sell for four top products. So for example, you can pick up any four products that are Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, or Vanquish. So you can get those with dual rights. We're essentially getting your turnkey digital business to your profit. So these are the four upsells, but for $17 you're getting Continuum, which is excellent in terms of your ever webinar, which is costing you close to $500. You get three high ticket done for you setup with that 17, and all my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses, right? So as in every video I go through with the pros and cons. Some of the pros are, real automated traffic on demand, high ticket commission from 100% done for you offers, done for you sales automation 24/7, and built in scaling. So these are all the pros, and no questions asked, 30 days money back guarantee. So that's another added advantage for $17, right? So this is the pros. Cons are, in terms of setting up of certain things, you need to spend time in setting up those things. There are certain areas where you need to uh, look at the video few times, but that's all part and parcel of the game, right? So that's about it. My bonuses will expire in the next 3 days and 18 hours and 41 minutes, and it keeps on ticking. So after that you won't be able to get the offers. The bonus page will be down, but of course you can get the product, but this is only limited for just next 3 more days. And I strongly recommend this product because I personally am going to move to this particular product and not pay $500 on the Ever webinar, right? So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my bell button in the channel, and I will see you with the next video. Till then, bye, cheers.